Hey guys, this is Robert and here's the package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Taking the tube of sugar pops. Goose, Goose feather, 12 piece for Badminton. Open it up. Okay, just a tube here. Then just smooth these out. It's probably better to go right away. This and these feathers, like that. And there's string here, laced with something. And there you go. If you're interested in this set of 12, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support your channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video. I will see you next time.